Greetings everyone, Elijah from Financial Anatomy here, and we're going to be talking about the Cash App and how you can send money or cash to someone else on Cash App. Start off by opening the app up and you'll be sent to this screen. All you need to do is put the amount that you want to send to someone on the screen. For this example, I'll be sending one of my friends $5. Click on Pay, then type in their cash tag, name or phone number or email into the To section. Once you have done this, you want to look at the Use section and you'll have the choice to pick between if you want to pay using your Cash App balance or if you want to pay using a linked bank or something else that you have linked to Cash App. I have money in the account, so I'll be sending it via my Cash App balance. And if you have any notes that you want to share with the person that you're sending the money to, just put them in the notes section. I'm going to put, I'm doing this for a video, enjoy your free $5. After this, click on the Pay button in the top right hand corner. And I've completed sending my friend $5. That does it for this video. Now, if you've watched this video, but you don't know how to get money into your Cash App account in the first place, you want to check the video out that's on the screen. It covers a way that you can get money into your Cash App account so that you can send money in the first place, in addition to doing other things such as investing and saving. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and like the video if you found value in it. Now go out there and take control of your financial destiny.